Ciao. Anyway, so.
Hey everyone, so day 27 and I look sleepy, really sleepy. Really, I can see my eyes because I really wanna sleep. I'm really so sleepy and just like staying up late than I used to be the last couple of days. So I am about to do my meditation for day 28. I hope I can because I'm like all gone. But for day 27, it's amazing. For yesterday or for the evening meditation for the day 27, I did the chakra healing meditation. And for this morning, I did the love meditation for Sadhguru. Again, it's kind of my routine, like mixing these two together. And I didn't mention from a while that I don't have a skin rash anymore from my chakra balance meditation. I told you that I have a severe rash on the first week that I tried, or the first time I tried this meditation, and this skin rash began to subside by time, and now I don't have any, and I feel really balanced in my energy center. Actually, I can feel it. I can feel all the balance. I can feel like I can. So I guess the best word to describe it is I am in tune with myself and with my energy. I don't feel that like my problem was on my sexual energy. It was massive and out of place and out of control. It was driving me crazy before. And it was the reason of going through all this. It caused me a lot of problems with my boyfriend, and now I still feel the energy. It's not gone, but I feel so much control over it. I feel I can channel it. I feel I can use it to do stuff and to create stuff. So it's kind of more like having more flexibility and more control over it to use this energy in different ways until I can like release it in its own way. So for me, I feel all balanced and I feel so open minded and I feel so like awake and alert to everything. I feel the moment because I implement that concept of live in this inevitable moment. It's an amazing like mixture between all of these together. It makes me feel life even more and it makes me feel I am in control with everything happening inside of me before outside of me. So overall, this day is amazing. And I can't remember if I mentioned it or not, but I began to see a change in my current reality in different situations, in specific situations in my life to the point that I wanted. But actually, from a couple of nights or a couple of days, I began to release everything, not focusing on a specific outcome. It's just like I just say, universe, I'm ready to be surprised, surprise me. And after that, I begin to see a little bit of shifts in my life as I begin to feel more calmer and more trust in myself and more trust inside myself that the universe will surprise me. And just the dream that I dreamed yesterday, or a couple of nights before, really concerned me a little bit, but I know it's a good thing because it was about cleaning my bathtub, and I know it's a sign for something. I know it's a sign to clean some stuff in me, and I know there's still a lot of work to be done, but how I feel about myself right now comparing to how I feel from a couple of days before, or like before doing all this meditation stuff, I feel completely different. Like I feel a brand new one. So I guess that's it. It's just one day left to finish my fourth week, and then another 2 days because I need to finish 30 days, and 4 weeks are 28 days. So, yeah, so far I'm so happy. I feel so calm, so in tune with myself, feel the moment, every moment, even if I feel a little bit like nervous or angry. I'm not the same as I used to be. I just calm down really quickly and I am in control of my emotion and I understand it more. And I know when I begin to shift to anger or like upset or feeling sad, I can feel the shift and I can just take myself back again to the new normal for me is my platform, is my blessedness and my peaceful self, and it's my platform that I begin to implement in myself, and it's amazing feeling, really amazing, and I'm so happy with every step along the way until I reach this point. So I'm gonna see you tomorrow to finish my fourth week with you guys. So stay tuned for tomorrow. I love you.